Ivydale. This is the Singing Assembly Week 6 for Phase 1. I hope everyone's well and you've had a good half term. I'm going to be changing the format a little bit of singing assemblies going forward, just because I think we've had lots of fun singing through all of our old favourites and it's time to learn new songs. So from now on we're going to be focusing on a bit of a warm-up, and then we're going to be just doing one song every week, but focusing in a lot more detail, learning it step by step until we've learned a whole new piece each week. So we're going to start off with a warm-up and then we'll get cracking on our song for today. So could you stretch out really tall? Oh, could you stretch down to the floor? Brilliant. Could you stretch out sideways? Stretch out the other sideways. Lovely. Could you rub your hands on your face? Just to stretch your muscles. Lovely. Can you do a really big everything open for me? Brilliant. Stretch those muscles on your face, everything open. And everything really screwed up. Everything open. Everything screwed up. Brilliant. Can you do some yawning? Oh. Ready? Oh. We're going to start on a note and come down. Let's go. Oh. Lovely big yawn, open mouth. Oh. A little bit higher. Oh. Getting higher. Oh. And again. Oh. Even higher. Oh. Oh. How high can you go? Oh. Oh. Really lovely big long one now. Oh, good. We've opened up here. Can you copy after me? Using a t sound. Off you go now. Hopefully you should feel your stomach muscles working there. Can you copy after me with a sh sound now? Sh, 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 sh. Sh, 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 sh. And one more time. Very good. Okay, let's just do one more. Can you follow my sound as we go and do some loop-the-loops and up and down? And again. Well done. So, now I'd like to teach you a warm-up we can gradually work on each week, called The Little Green Frog. Maybe you know this one. And the frog's going to make a sound galumph. Galumph. You can put your hands here and do a big pushing out for galumph. It goes galumph when the little green frog one day. Galumph when the little green frog. Galumph when the little green frog one day. And the little green frog went galumph. So let's break that down a bit and get to know that one before we get onto the second section. Can you try for me? Galumph when the little green frog one day your turn. Galumph when the little green frog one day. Good. The next bit goes galumph when the little green frog. Try that for me. Galumph when the little green frog. Stick the two lines together. My turn, your turn. Let's try this. Galumph when the little green frog one day. Galumph when the little green frog. Your turn. Galumph when the little green frog one day. Galumph when the little green frog. Good. The third line's the same as the first. Galumph when the little green frog one day. And the little green frog went galumph. Just try the last one for me. And the little green frog went galumph. And again. And the little green frog went galumph. One more time. And the little green frog went galumph. So you've got 4 lines. You've got numbers 1 and 3 are the same. Let's see if we can sing all that first bit through together. Galumph when the little green frog one day. Galumph when the little green frog. Galumph when the little green frog one day. And the little green frog went galumph. I was just thinking about, I can't do that at the same time. I hope everybody's still doing that at home. Let's try one more time. Galumph when the little green frog one day. Now, hopefully you're still standing up in a big space. Can you do a clap and a wiggle one side, and then a clap and a wiggle the other side for me? So, but we know frogs go cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la. We know frogs go cha-la-la-la-la, they don't go galumph. Hopefully you've got the whole song. This is going to be our warm-up for the next couple of weeks. We're going to see if we can try it faster and faster each week. So before we do that, let's just do the whole song through and make sure we know it so that next week we'll be ready for changing it in different ways. Here we go. Galump went the little green frog one day. Galump went the little green frog. Galump went the little green frog one day, and the little green frog went galump. But we know frogs go cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la, cha-la-la-la-la. We know frogs go cha-la-la-la-la, they don't go galumph. Brilliant. Hopefully you've got the hang of that warm-up. We'll come back to that again next week. So the piece we're going to learn in detail this week is called the Big Sing Up Mambo. It's a really funny song that goes around on loop about 10 times, so you get lots of practice at it, and we're going to add in some actions. I'm just going to teach you it at the piano, and then we're going to run through a bit later with the backing track, and I'll stand up and do the actions with you. So, the first bit we need is, I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey. And when you're doing hey, hey, I want you to do some punches in the air like this. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey. Can you try that? I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey. Very good. Now, the next bit is, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho. This time, can you punch out forward? I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho. So the first one is going down, the second one is going up. Let's try that. Both the heys and the hoes. Let's try the heys and the hoes. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho. Very good. Let's do that all over again so we really know what we're doing. Up first with our arms, out, but with the voice you're going down first and you're going up second. Bit of the opposite way around, really. Here we go. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho. And then it's I said come on down and do the sing up mambo. And when we do come on down, can you do a beckoning for me? Come on down and do the sing up mambo. Come on down and do the sing up mambo. Say it with me. Come on down and do the sing up mambo. Let's try that. I said come on down and do the sing up mambo. How did we get on? Let's try that again. I said come on down and do the sing up mambo. Good. Let's see if we can put all that together with the heys and the hoes and the come on down and the sing up mambo. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho, I said come on down and do the sing up mambo. Brilliant. And then we've got some actions. We've got a rhythm that repeats. First of all on our hands, then on our knees, and then stamping. And the rhythm is your turn now. Have another go. Good, so that rhythm, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum, happens here, then on our knees. Let's try it. Hey, and a hey at the end. Maybe your stamping is going to be a bit easier for you if you're standing up. Let's try it again. Claps, knees, feet, and a hey at the end. 1, 2, off you go. Hey. Good. Okay. Then the bit that changes each time it goes round on loop says a different number each time. But it still says on the same note. That was fun, let's do part 1. Try that for me. That was fun, let's do part 1. second time would be just for you, let's do part two. Try that. Just for you, let's do part two. The third time is skin your knee, let's do part three. Skin your knee, let's do part three. Fourth time would be on the floor, let's do part four. Kick the beehive, let's do part five. Kick the beehive, let's do part five. Join the mix, let's do part six. Join the mix, let's do part six. And so on. We've got Howdy Kevin, It's Your Fate for 8, Just in Time for 9, and at the end it's That's the End, let's do part 10. So we're going to have all the words up next to me in this video, hopefully helping you. It goes quite fast, this track. Let's do it just one time slowly with the piano all the way through, and then I'm going to stand up, put on the track, and we'll do it together. I said hey hey from the beginning. Off we go. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho, I said come on down and do the sing up number. Hey, that was fun, let's do part one. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, and you can see it loops back to the beginning. As soon as you've done that was fun, let's do part one, it goes straight back to the beginning. Just for you, let's do part two, straight back to the beginning. There's no gap. We've got to be quick-witted in this piece. Okay, I think we're almost ready to run it through. I think we'll just try one more time because it goes quite fast on the track. We'll try one more time with piano. And you're going to have a little introduction to listen to first as well, where you're going to need to count 7 bars before you come in. I'll help you with that in a minute. Let's just pretend we've counted the 7 bars, and we go 1, 2, 3. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho, ho, I said come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, that was fun, let's do part one. I said hey, hey, I said hey, hey, I said ho, ho, I said ho. So on. Very good. Hopefully we're getting the hang of this song now. I think we're ready for our run through. So let's give it a go. I'm going to put on the track. We're going to count 7 bars rest and then 1, 2, 3 in after beat 3. Here we go. Up do once more through now. You know it really well. Let's do some big actions. Let's stand up straight. Let's sing out loud. Let's give it one more go through. Here we go. Up to 7. 1, 2, 3. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, that was 1, let's do part 1. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, just for you, let's do part 2. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, skin your knee, let's do part 3. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, on the floor, let's do part 4. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, on the beehive, let's do part 5. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, on the pigs, let's do part 6. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, howdy Kevin, let's do part 7. Hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, it's your fate, let's do part 8. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, just in time, let's do part 9. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey, that's the end, let's do part 10. I say hey, hey, I say hey, hey, I say hop, hop, I say hop, hop, I say come on down and do the sing up mambo. Hey! Well done everybody, really good work learning a new song this week. If you are one of those people that fancy singing through some old favourites, do go back, have a little listen to the Senior Assemblies weeks 1 to 5, sing through some of the ones that you remember. But from now onwards, we're going to be learning a brand new song every week and having a go at that warm-up with the galumphing frog as well and getting to know that a little bit faster. Okay, have a good week everyone. Take care.